Commas, colons, and semicolons, oh my. These tiny marks have big jobs in academic writing. Mastering them will boost your IELTS writing score and make your essays shine. Let's break it down, easily, clearly, and with a little fun. First up, the comma. It separates ideas and helps avoid confusion. Example, in academic writing, clarity is key. In academic writing, clarity is key. Confusing, right? Next, the colon. It introduces explanations, lists, or emphasis. And finally, the semicolon. It connects related ideas or separates detailed lists. How to use commas. Commas help organize sentences. Use them before conjunctions, when making a list, after an introduction. In conclusion, punctuation matters. Common mistake: don't use a comma instead of a semicolon. How to use colons. Colons introduce something important. Use them before a list, before an explanation. Punctuation improves clarity. Common mistake: never put a colon right after a verb. How to use semicolons. Semicolons do two things: connect independent clauses, helps understand a complex list. Common mistake: don't use a semicolon with and, or, but. Spot the mistakes. Time to test your skills. Can you spot the errors? Now time for a quiz. Choose the correct sentence. Don't forget to pause the screen. Comment your answers below. Let's see who's a punctuation pro. Quick recap. Commas, separate ideas, lists, and introductions. Colons, introduce explanations or lists. Semicolons, connect related ideas or complex lists. Master these, and your IELTS writing will level up. Thanks for watching. Follow for more IELTS tips and see you next time.